Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today I'm going to show you how to take off the back on the Samsung Note 8 along with how to replace it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or on Twitter at MattofRWR. Let's get started. So the tools that you will need include 1. A razor blade of some sort, 2. A playing card or extremely thin plastic card of some sort, 3. A JIS 000 or PH 000 screwdriver, and lastly you will need some heat. I recommend buying a heat gun. A hairdryer may work, but I wouldn't recommend it given how cheap some of these heat guns can be. To start, we will heat up the edges and keep doing that for a little while. I did this for about 30 seconds before using a blade. When you use a blade, be very careful. You don't want to bend the back too much or it may crack. Of course, if you're replacing it, you don't have to worry about this, but you still don't want glass flying everywhere. You want to get the blade in just enough so you can stick a card in there. Once you get the card in there, you will start cutting through the adhesive. Make sure you don't go too far or you may damage some internal components. You want to go in just enough to get rid of the adhesive on the sides. Don't be afraid to add more heat if it gets harder to cut through the adhesive, just make sure not to keep it in one place for too long. Also, make sure once the back is loose that you don't just rip it off because it might tear the cable. Once the back has been separated, there will be one cable holding the back in place, which is a fingerprint scanner. All you need to do is get something thin and plastic like a pick or a spudger and unplug the cable very carefully. Now the back is separated from the phone. If this is all you needed, then the video is over for you. If you want to put a new panel on, I will show you how to do that now. Now if you're reusing a back panel, you may need to remove the adhesive, but in this case the adhesive was strong enough for me to leave it on the phone. Once the adhesive is in place, you will want to set the back like shown and plug in the cable. Honestly, you can set it any way you want, but this seemed to be the easiest way for me. All you need to do is plug the cable in, and then the back will be ready to set in place. Once that's plugged in, line up the back and push down. Once all the sides look like they're flat, the repair is finished. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section or on Twitter at MattofRWR, and feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching.